Hey friends, welcome back to Garage Oven. If you are still not subscribed to Garage Oven, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I'll be showing you curry mean fry. It's also called as the pearl spots fish. In Konkani we call it as kalandur and in Kannada we call it as curry meenu. This fish is found in the backwaters and the freshwaters of southern India. This fish is very much available throughout the year. Curry mean fry is one of the lip-smacking dish. In Kerala, other dishes which are very famous are curry mean moli and curry mean polichettu. The meat of this fish is very delicious, but you should be very careful with the thorns. Here I have taken 8 small sized curry mean. Firstly, you need to soak the fish for at least for 10 to 15 minutes, which eases the removal of the scales. So here I am scraping the scales of the fish. The smaller fish is easy to clean, while the bigger ones, the thorns are very strong. You can see that I have cleaned all the scales. Here you can see again the pectoral fins which I am cutting. Now you can see here the pelvic fins which I am cutting. The pelvic fins are very sharp and you should be very careful while cutting since you may get hurt. Now I am cutting the dorsal fin. The dorsal fin is very much harder and it is difficult to cut. While cutting curry mean, you should have a very sharp knife or a good scissor. So here you can see that I have cut all the fins. Now I'll be cutting the tail. Now let's cut the mouth part. Make a cut below the mouth and then cut on the head side. Now easily you can pull off the head part. Now let's clean the gut of the fish. I'm making a slit. Clean the gut well. Similarly, clean all the fish. After cleaning the fish, one important thing to be noted, clean the gut very well. Otherwise, while making the curry or fry, you will have the bitter taste. Now here I'll be making gashes on the fish. You can make curry mean fry or you can also make curry mean masala fry. The meat of the fish is very delicious. The fish is cleaned and it's ready for making the recipe. Let's make the masala for frying the fish. Firstly, I'll be making ginger garlic masala paste wherein I'm using ginger, garlic, curry leaves and ajwain. Now let's make the paste for the fry. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is mildly spicy and also gives a very good red color. Nearly half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of the prepared ginger garlic masala paste. Grinding the curry leaves gives a very delicious flavor to the masala. Add salt. Add 2 teaspoons of corn flour followed by 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Add 1 whole lemon juice. Add water. You can add water as per the paste consistency. Mix all well. Here is your red chili masala paste ready for frying the fish. Apply it all well to the fish. Apply it into the gashes, into the gut. If the red chili paste is left over, you can store it in fridge and can use it whenever you make any fish fry. Keep the fish aside for at least 20 to 30 minutes. The fish is marinated well for around 30 minutes. Now I'll be frying the fish. Heat some oil in a tawa. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Frying the fish in coconut oil gives a very delicious flavor. See that the flame is under moderate heat. Apply the paste well on the other side if you require. Fry the fish for nearly 3 to 5 minutes under moderate heat slowly. If you are new to Garage Oven, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Please do not forget to share your comments and view. Also, please do watch my other recipes and share your suggestions. The fish is fried well on one side. Now let's flip it and fry the same way on the other side too. You can see how well the masala is coated onto the fish. Isn't it looking yummy and delicious? If you are a fish lover, I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Please do try this recipe and do let me know your views in the comment box. I'll be coming with yet another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching Garage Oven. Happy cooking. Bye.